guys, it's me Narelle here, and welcome back to a new video. This is going to be another unboxing for you guys. I completely forgot this was coming today, because I was at work, and I'm like, today's the 28th, and I'm like, why am I feeling I'm forgetting something? And I'm like, oh, when I ordered this coming today, and I know what it is. I'm super excited, because it is BTS, and it's an album. So yes, I'm just going to open it up. I am collecting all their CDs, so I have more of their merch in my house. But yes, queen, let me just get this open. Alrighty, I got it open, so we're just gonna take it out. Okay, so I got Love Yourself Tear, and this album has Fake Love on it, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay. So we're gonna open it up. I like how they wrapped it. The wrapping is nice. So on the front, I got 3 little images of the boys. Funny thing is, I got these in that magazine of BTS. So it's kind of nice and kind of not nice because I have these images. But yes, queen. Look at the boys. I know you can't see them all that well, but my phone is not wanting to focus on this beauty. Look at Jimin! Look at Jimin being all sexy. Jimin. And here's another one of them. They're so cute. So now I'm going to take out the actual album. But wait, there is something on the back of it. I think this is the poster because it said it came with a poster. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you guys can see this clearly. My phone is not focusing. But look at the boys. This is so gorgeous. Look. I know you really cannot see this full poster, but look. Oh my word. It's so beautiful. I wish I could hang it up, but I don't think I can because I don't want to put holes in this, but it looks so good. I love it. My boys. Enough of me obsessing over this poster that I hope I can hang up in the near future. Now we're going to get into the actual album itself. It's so gorgeous. Alrighty, I got it out the packaging. Come on, phone, focus. I know you're tired, but you gotta focus. Come on. There we go. So the album opens, I think, like this. Yeah, opens like this. Look how pretty this is! Oh my word! I have not, seen an album look like this. It's so weird, but yet so cool at the same time. Alright, so here is something that's called the notes. And of course, they're all in Korean. I cannot understand any of this. This is the actual CD itself. It's really pretty. Really, 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 really pretty. I think this is the photo book that came with the actual CD. Again, look how gorgeous that is. And ooh, woo. Okay. Alright. I don't know what this is exactly, but I think it's like a bookmarker, I think. But look at the boys. They look so gorgeous. I'm so happy. And I hope you guys are not disturbed by me making a video on K-pop. But again, it's my channel and I upload what I want to upload. But they're so gorgeous. Alrighty, so I'm just going to see if I can flip through this real quick. This is a really hefty photo book, so I'm gonna try not to bend it as much as I can. So yeah, that's the photo I got as a poster. If my phone can focus, please. And yeet, and that's another one of the same photo. Let me just flip through it this way, because it'll make a lot of sense. Okay, so apparently there are things in this book that I am missing. Alright. Okay. I think those are like business cards. The card I got is Young Gook! Young happy. I'm the happiest girl alive now. I got Cookie. I got Cookie. My cinnamon child. My cinnamon child. Yay. That's pretty much it. I think that comes with this album. I'm going to put everything back the way it is because I would hate to ruin things. Pretty much it for this unboxing of BTS album Love Yourself Tear. I am gonna order Love Yourself Her maybe next week, so look out for another BTS unboxing. But I'm super excited for getting this because this is my first Korean album that I actually got, and I'm excited. I really am. Even though a lot of this I can't read, I just love it. So I'm just gonna look at the photo book 1,000 times over today and just wallow in all the gloriousness that is BTS. Alrighty guys, I just got finished listening to my BTS Love Yourself Tear album. To be honest, this album could have been a lot longer. As soon as track 11 stopped, I'm like, wow, that's it? But it's a really good album. It's super chill. If you like super chill music, this is the album for you. But honestly, this album was golden. Usually I'm a person that kind of doesn't like all the songs on albums, or like certain few, but for this, heck yeah, I will listen to this like 5 times through. It's amazing. So again guys, I would recommend buying this album. I got mine off of Amazon, so I can put the link down in the description box below. The person that I got it from, a lot of people have been having issues with getting a lot of the items that did come with this album, but honestly guys, regardless if it's a bootleg copy or not, I think it's beautiful. I didn't get one item, but it's okay. I still enjoyed the album, and that's pretty much all I really have to say. So again, link will be in the description box below if you guys want to get BTS Love Yourself Tear for yourself. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.